Hi, I am here from KodiLearn. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your website into an Android app, fully complete Android app. We are not going to do any programming stuff like Java or Kotlin, or we are not going to install any software for it. We are going to create a fully complete mobile app for your website through the online platform. So before starting this video, I'm going to thank you a lot for helping me to gain 100 subscribers. I know it is not a good milestone or big milestone, but it's very great for me because I have not done any software shop or told my friends to subscribe. I have not done it. It is my full complete pure subscribers, and I would like to thank you a lot for that. And here we are going to use an online platform. It's not too easy. I'm going to tell before starting, it's not too easy to create an Android app because we need to code a lot, but we are going to simplify that and we are going to do it an easier steps. Means you are not going to do the programming, but you are going to do like programming, but you do not need to remember all of those and do hard things. So let me show you the complete app that you can create with this application. So this is an application that you can create. So you can obviously have this splash screen if you want. I will tell you how you can put the splash screen. And the great feature about this app is you will get this cool animation and this loading screen for in your website. And if you have any website, then you can put this cool animation. So here, as you can see, this is the cool animation that you will get. You can also change this animation, but it is a little bit maybe it's easier, so it's not too hard if you want. So here, as you can see, this website is loaded now, and as you can see, you can put this website. And before starting this video, I'm going to tell you that your website must be responsive. If your website is not responsive, then this video is not for you. And another downside of this app is that this video does not support videos. Means if you have videos, then you cannot play it in full screen. You can play the video, but full screen is not supported. If you have WooCommerce site or blog site, then it is so less that there will be video. But if you have the LMS site or any kind of website, then there is chance that there is always video. Like in LMS site, video is very needed thing. So it is not for the LMS sites. Okay, so sorry for that. If you want to create that type of, then you must go with programming. You can also get other videos, but none of them you cannot create applications like this. And you'll get this slider. So here, as you can see, you can put your another website if you want. Like this, I have put it to news and ebooks. So here is the about section. You can just click on it and you can redirect user to any URL you want, and like here. Or you can also put the text that you want offline here for the available of offline. And here is the contact. This will also redirect to the website contact page. And this is the Facebook. So if somebody click on Facebook, he or she will be redirected to one website, means facebook.com. You can change that website. That's just like the Twitter, Instagram. And here is the share button. It is very good in this application. So you can have the barcode, and here is the download link. When user can click it, then they will be direct to the download link. And here is the share link, means you can put the custom message and send with the email or many applications that you want. It is very good feature of this application that I like most. And here is the lots of features. So let me show you one of the core features. Means what if the user is offline, what will happen? So I'm offline now. Let me open the application. So here, as you can see, I got this error called no internet, oops, network occurred. Let me go to that. So let me go to online. As you can see, we got this animation. So when user is online and open, then they can see this website easily. As you can see, I did not get any error. So let me show you one of the best features that I like about this app. So you can send the notification to the user. So I have created a simple. So here is the platform setting. I'll tell you after that. So when I click on the confirm, I can send the notification, push notifications to the application users, they will directly get the notification. So as you can see, it is sending right now. So it will send the message instantly, or you can also schedule the message, means to schedule after this time, you can send the message automatically after that time. So here as you can see, it told me started sending it, and clicks are reported and delivery status, and main it has told me, as you can see. So when I go here as you can see, I got this notification. So here as you can see, I got this notification. So I think I forgot to close this application so that you can see the push notification. Let me just add one push notification to show you one thing. Means my application was open, so it showed me like that. But if the user is not in the application, then it will not show like that. You can put the image if you want. Let me confirm it and send message. So here as you can see, I got this notification instantly. As you can see, it is very cool. And when I just open any application, suppose, and here as you can see, I got this push notification. So here as you can see, it is very good right now. So let me show you how you can create this awesome app. So we're going to create this app through one platform called Kodular. At first you need to go to kodular.io, and just you need to log in here. After you log in, just click on this create app, or you can go to the creator.kodular.io, and I'll give download link in the description. Just download one AIA file. So here you'll get one AIA file. So you need to just click on this import project, choose file, and I'll give the link of that AIA file. Just import it. So here as you can see, right now it is uploading 35%, and it may take some time. So as you can see, it is now waiting. So here as you can see, this app is loaded, so it will open up instantly. So it is loading right now. As you can see, I got the application. So let me show you what are the must things that you need to do before installing this application, is to make this application for you. So here are the screens. So I'll tell in the brief description. Screen are the pages of your website. Like in WordPress, you create the pages, screen is also like that. So here is the screen, and here is Google about screen. You need to change it to your app name, so it will not show, but you can just type here. Like I can just type Wikipedia, and you can change the color and tweak around those options if you want. I want to make this application so short, so I'm not going to do that. And here is the app name, so I'm going to just convert it to Wikipedia. So yeah, now the app name is converted, and here is the another main option called icon. So for that you need to go to assets, and you need to upload your image icon, and I recommend you to have the PNG icon, or if you can also have the JPG icon. And you need to remember the application name is twitter.png. If you want, then you need to choose the image from here after uploading, or you can also upload from here. So I'm not going to do that because I'm going to make this video short. And here are the many options you can just tweak around, but please do not change that much. I like this scrollable, and you can turn off the status bar if you want. I like it. So here is the version. So if you are creating the newer version, then I recommend you to increment it a little bit. So here the main title. So it is shown here. As you can see, this is the title. So I can just type Wikipedia, and here is the advanced properties, and you can turn on or off the splash. So if you turn off this splash, then it will not show the splash screen at the starting, or you can turn on this and upload this file. If you turn on this, you must put the splash screen, otherwise it will show the error. So I have put this, so I'm not going to do that. You can just click on assets and upload that, because I want to create this video short, and I do not want you to just click on all of those options, because it may cause your application not to work. Just go to this web viewer, and you will see this home URL. Just change it to that you want. Like in my case, I'm going to just convert it to wikipedia.org. So here, as you can see, here are all the options. Please do not change these options. So another thing that I think it may be useful is this loti. So this, the animation that was coming at the starting is due to this loti. So you can also download the loti from the search your loti. You can just go to this website and you can just download here by clicking on get started for free, or you can just click here and just suppose you like this animation, then just click on this animation and you need to download the JSON file. Just clicking on the JSON file, and like as before, you need to upload here and you need to choose the JSON file from here. So, and you need to just go to this here. So we are going to just click on this here, and here you can change this text if you want by just scrolling, and you will find this text option, and this is the barcode. So you need to create one QR code, sorry, you need to create one QR code and upload that and choose from here. Here is the download link, and I'm going to show you after how you can change this redirection. So let me go to the blocks. So blocks is very important part of this application, so I do not recommend you to do that much changes here. So here as you can see, here is the Facebook URL. So here as you can see, this is the Facebook URL. You need to, if you want to have your Facebook URL, then you need to have your own URL here, but be sure that you need to change in each screen, means you need to change in the screen one also if you do any changes in this block. So here as you can see, here is this here. So suppose I do not want this Twitter. So where is the Twitter? So for that I need to just delete this block. So I'm just going to delete this block and just delete this block. You can delete it, and you need to just move all to the above and like this, and just click on this setting and just delete this LG which is at the bottom. As you can see, now it is gone. So you can change here like this, like you facebook.com here is. So I can just type facebook.com/ anything that you want. If you want to react Twitter to that. So here as you can see, here is also the main part. So here as you can see, here the Facebook, it is connected with this Facebook title, means it must be same. Please do not change if you want. And here the facebook.png, here is in the assets. Here is in the assets. So as you can see, here is the facebook.com, and here the enable is equal true. So just here as you can see, I have deleted the Twitter, so I'm going to just delete Twitter from here also. Suppose, so here as you can see, here is the another main part, means button one that click, means when you click on the download button link, then where to redirect, and you can change this link if you want. So you must change this link. And here is the share message, means this is the message that you want to have when the user shares. So I have written learn powerful and knowledge, so you can put anything that you want here, and that will be shared over your application. So I have already told that these two blocks, if you change any of these blocks, then you must change in all the screen, otherwise you may get some error in your application. So let me show you how you can add the application, means how you can add, if you have multiple websites, then how you can add here. So by the way, I have not changed that block, so I'm going to show you the easiest method when you change this block. So before starting, I'm going to just add that block here to make it more easy. Suppose if you have the multiple website, then you can just click on this copy screen and create one screen and just customize as I have done with this screen one. I'm not going to show that because my video has become already too long. So now I have told you how you can change the a part, means all the things I hope I have covered. So if you have any problem, or suppose by mistakenly I have forgot to change or tell anything, then you can obviously comment down below. I will try to reply you or create its part 2 if you want, or you can also personally Gmail me at KodiLearn@gmail.com or KodiLearn@outlook.com, or you can also contact me at telegram t.me/KodiLearn_YT. So the final part that is required is how to add the push notification. So I'm going to tell you how you can create the push notification. For that you need to just go to and search one signal. Just search here one signal, you'll get one link here at the top. So here you need to just click on the sign up button. So if you have not created any account, then you need to click on Google. You can connect with the Google, GitHub or Facebook. So let me choose one of my account. So you need to create 2 accounts for the notification. So here is the name of your app or website. So our is Google Android. So this supports the Google Android application, means our application is Google Android application. So I'm going to just type here Google suppose and just click on configure platform. And here is the as you can see we have turned on the Google, so it is telling me this. So here the Firebase server key and sender ID. So we need to get the Firebase server key and sender ID. For that just search your Firebase. So now you need to create one account in the Firebase. If you did not have any account in the Firebase, then you must create to have these Firebase server key and sender ID. Just click on get started and you need to sign in here. So you need to wait for that. So as you can see, just sign in here if you have not. So as you can see, I am signed in here. After that you need to create one application by going here, click on add project. You need to type here your app project. You can just type anything that you want, but it must be, means you must recognize it in the future. And here just click on create project. It may take some time while creating the project, so let's wait for that. I'm going to skip that part. So as you can see, now new project is ready. Let me click on continue. So here, as you can see, here is one setting icon. Just click on that setting and just click on project setting and just you need to go to cloud messaging and you will get the server key and server ID. So you need to just click on this copy icon and just put it here, this server key, and here this sender ID, just copy it and paste it here. Just click on next, and here is the target SDK. I'm going to choose the native Android and just click on next. And after that you will get one app ID. Just copy this app ID and just paste it here by pressing Ctrl+P and just click on export and save.apk to my computer. So you need to save this apk file. It is required to at least have 1 subscribed users, means you need to check whether it is working or not in your mobile or Android. So as you can see, it is now creating, means converting this application. So as you can see, it has converted our application to the website to the application. Now it is downloading here. As you can see, it is about 7.0 MB it has become. After that I'm going to just click on install. So you'll get this application. You can just share in your website by putting the short link. I have already created video on how you can create this short link, so you can just go on the link below to see that video. So as you can see, I got one splash screen that I have put. I have already told how you can put this splash screen. I got that animation in this website, as you can see. And here is the Facebook, means I have told you how you can redirect users to the Facebook or your link. And here is the share icon. So here as you can see, here is the share, means when I click on here, so it is working perfectly. And here as you can see, so I'm going to just go here and just click on check subscribed users. So now as you can see, it told me this congratulations. Let me click on save. Just go to messages and I'm going to just close this application to get the notification properly and just click on this new push. So whenever user install your application, you can send the notification from here directly. And here the image you can put, you can upload it or you can put the image URL. So here is the launch URL, means you can also redirect user to the any URL of your website if you want. So if you do not put, then it will open your application. Here the platform settings, and here is the small icon that will appear in the side. So you need to put the resource name, so we cannot do because we are created through the online platform. So if you want to do, then you need to edit this application through Epic Editor in Android, or in PC there may be some application, but that's a little bit too complex. So if you want, then you can obviously comment down below. I'll give the documentation, but it's too hard if you have no idea about Android Studio programming. So let me click on confirm. Let me click on send message, and here as you can see I got this notification. So here as you can see I have told you how you can create this notification. I think I forgot one thing to tell you, how you can add this menu. So here as you can see, when I open this app, I got this menu. Suppose if I want to have another menu, how I can put that? Just right click, just click on duplicate, and just align it wherever you want, and just give it a proper title. Suppose I want Google, and you need to upload one image here. So just go to assets and upload here image, and you need to remember its name. You must type exact name, but you should not have the white portion in the image, otherwise it will not show. So you need to put this enable is equal to true. Here this checked is equal to true or false. You need to put this false because I am not in the Google screen. So what is the checked? Here as you can see it is highlighted, this home is highlighted, this is called the check. So but if you are in the, if you have created the Google page and you want to, if you are in the that page, then you need to make it checked is equal to true, and so on, leave it to default. And after that you need to paste all this blog in each page. So for that I have one tip, just right click, just click on add to backpack. So let me delete all these because I do not need this, and let me just, but before starting you need to add one if statement here, means what you want to do. Just settings, for that you need to just click on this setting, just you need to put one LG here, and here if you have the page, then you need to copy the, if you have the page, then you need to copy this first one, then just duplicate, means if you have created this page, or if you have the social media, then you need to copy this, and here is the another open and recent. Let me copy it, means duplicate it, and let me put all the way down here. And here as you can see, you must remember this name, but you can also duplicate it for easier purposes. And just let me delete this home and just put this here, and you need to write the screen name. Suppose you need to add one screen from here. So I do not recommend you to add a screen because you need this block. So you can copy this screen and just type the screen name, and just type the another screen name here. So I hope you learned all of this application, means how you can convert your WordPress website through this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you are having any problem or you do not understand something, some part of this application in this video, then please comment down below. I'll happy to share with you. So thank you for this video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.